It's your girl, the Amber Nicole. Thank you so much for stopping past my channel. If you are feeling this hair like I'm feeling this hair, please stay tuned for the details of this beautiful hair. Wait a minute, y'all already know how I do. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead, it's right there. Just hit the subscribe button. It don't cost you nothing. Show your girl some support. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Now let's go ahead and jump into the deets of this gorgeous hair. Alright guys, so thank you for sticking around for the details of this hair. So today I am bringing you from Sensationnel, what lace? What lace, honey? So today I have Solana. Now I know they've been ramping and raving about this hair, about this wig all over YouTube and social media, Instagram and Facebook. So you know I had to get my hands on it to see what she's about. The color I have her in is a 1B. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open this package so we can see what she's about. They came in a box this time. Normally it's just like a little, you know, box thing that go around it, but it's a box this time. And it says, what's lace? Now it's showing back here that there is a natural hairline on this, that it is undetectable like the original wigs. This is the card. It is hand tied and pre-plucked. Says that it is well crafted, and it has parting space that is 13 by 6, which is ear to ear, and it has it is 6 inches deep. So this sounds like it's going to be a beautiful wig. Okay, so her curls on her is gorgeous. Look at that, the pretty little bouncy curl on this hair. Let's see what the inside of her looks like. Okay, so the parting space is beautiful. Look at all of that parting space that it gives you. So that means you have free parting in this wig for the most part, up front at least. Then you have 2 combs here and in the front and 1 comb in the back. And then there's also adjustable straps in this comb. Now, I don't know where my wig band is, but I will put my wig band on to make this wig lay down a little bit tighter. It does appear to have baby hairs in this wig, so that is going to give you more of a flawless look. So let's go ahead and put her on and see what she looks like. Okay, so this is pretty. Oh, I like her. I like her. I like her. She is very pretty. What I'm going to do though, you know how I do, guys, because I don't have the right stuff set up, so I have to go off camera to style her and come back. But as you can see, like, look at that hairline on her. The hairline is absolutely beautiful. That's a beautiful hairline, y'all. That is gorgeous. So let me go ahead and style her and I will be back. Alright guys, I'm back, and let me just say that Solana got me feeling myself because this hair is gorgeous. I definitely love her. I love the lace up here. It looks so realistic. I did take a blow dryer to the part so that I can get my part to lay flat as to where I would like for the hair to go. Like I said, this has a lot of parting space in this, so you pretty much can part this hair any way that you like. It is completely up to you. I am 5'2", and this hair falls to about, if I pull it to the top of my bottom. If I pull the hair falls to the top of my bottom. But other than that, with it curly, it stops at the middle of my back. I absolutely love this hair. This hair is definitely soft. It is very playful. I love the curls that is in this. I did take a paddle brush and brushed out the curls just to give it that more voluminous look to it. So This is a nice density of hair. It's not too heavy and it's not too lightweight where you feel like you're going to see your stocking cap through it. So this wig was definitely constructed very nicely. Now the cost of this wig, I know this wig is a little bit more on the expensive side. I'm not quite sure how much I paid for it, but I think it had to be somewhere between $35 and $40. I will leave it somewhere up here on how much it costs. I got this wig from wigstype.com. Of course, you already know that because I love that company. Definitely could style this wig. I could see you pulling this up like into a high bun right here up top and having it half up and half down. You could definitely pull it back like this, have some of it back and some of it down, or you could pull it up in a ponytail. Either way, it would definitely work, especially with the lace that is in this wig. It does give you that flawless look. So guys, I want you to tell me what you think about this hair. Do you like this hair? Are you feeling it like I'm feeling it? Do you think it's gorgeous? Do you think it's flawless? So I'm going to go ahead and rate this hair. I'm going to give this hair a 9 out of 10. Yes, a 9 out of 10. This hair is absolutely gorgeous, like I've been saying this whole video. I love this hair. And would this be on my repeat offender list? Yes, I probably will purchase her again, and I will purchase her in different colors just to see what she looks like. I definitely like the hair. I love the hair. I love how it flows. I love how it looks. Sensational did they job with this wig. They did their thing with this wig. Comment below and tell me guys what you think of this hair. Tell me if you like it. Would you purchase it? Would you not purchase it? Is it too expensive for you? Or is it something that you would like to try? Let me know below. And remember, if you are feeling the t-shirts that is in my video, these t-shirts are produced by my company, Lab Impressions. I'll leave all of the information up there. You can check out our website. You can also check us out on social media. So go ahead and check us out over there. Remember to go ahead and like my video. Make sure you guys check me out on social media too. The Amber Nicole. You can find me on Facebook or Instagram. Go spam my accounts, guys. I appreciate it so much. And remember to subscribe, share, like, and comment in this video. Tell all your friends, tell all your family members. And if no one has told you today, you are beautiful, you are gorgeous, you are who God says you are. Many blessings.